All right, to do this job, you need a 13mm socket, 3/4 ratchet, 3/8 ratchet, a 3/8 extension, 10 inches, Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. So to get the battery out, of course we gotta take all this stuff out here just to make us some room. So there's a little rubber holder here. Pop that loose. There's some plastic clips, little plastic rivets. Just pop these rivets out. Pop this one loose. Once it's loose, pull that one out. And pull the panel on the left up. Turn it to get it out of there. Panel on the right. Get that out of there. I'm gonna do my best here to film this kind of tight quarters. But there's a bolt right there. We need to loosen, remove. And there's one right there. You also need to remove. Of course, you need to remove the terminals. And you need to remove the fuse box panel off of the battery carriage. And I'll show you how to do that. You also need to remove that screw and that screw. That also holds the fuse box on. The fuse box panel, that is. So I'll do my best to show you how to do it. I'm just showing you one side here. I went ahead and took the other one out already. Okay. We need to pop this little thing off of here. You just slide it back. Get it out of your way. Now we're going to try to get this fuse panel off of here. It's a little difficult. I'll try my best to show you. But you push back on this right here. There we go. And now it is loose. And so now we'll get the bolts out. Okay, I got it down there now. Okay, it's loose. I will swap over here to that one. I got that one there. Get some loose. Here I'm just going to go ahead and loosen these bolts all the way until they're out of the threads. I'm not going to take them out though, because you know, if you drop those things, they're going all the way to the bottom. So we're just going to leave them in there. And then when we pull the carriage out, the little carrier, those two bolts will come out with it. Now we're going to remove the leads off the terminals. Same thing, be very careful you don't drop those screws down into the bottom.
helps if I get the right tool, doesn't it?
The red and black leads, the skinny ones, those go to a battery charger that I have. They'll just stay hooked up in the ski.
Oh, almost dropped it, see there? I'm gonna screw it back into the battery, just so we don't accidentally drop it. Now we're gonna remove this one. And put the screw back in. Oh no, the other side is also stuck. All right, that's for sure loose now. Now just grab the handle, pull it up and out of there. This is our fuse panel. The fuse box is right here, but this panel like attaches to the back of the battery, and of course the leads. So that's it.
Now that we got these two bad boys in the shop, we're going to attach these quick connect terminal leads. They go to the battery charger that I have. It's a NOCO 2x2, so it's got 2 channels that charges at 2 amps each channel. It'll charge a regular 12-volt battery, AGM battery. I think it'll charge lithium batteries also. Anyway, I just add these on here so it's easy to hook them up, and they'll sit for the season. So the charger doubles as a maintainer too. Just makes it easy that way. Now I'm going to jam out to a little bit of music. Thanks for watching. Y'all subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.